What's up my friends, welcome to the channel. This video is another tech video. This is going to be a too much fun video. So stay tuned what fun you can make out of a single bicycle spoke and few polythene bags. So what I am going to do is I am going to wrap these polythene bags one after the other onto this bicycle spoke and just hold on, yet another so just keep on wrapping these bags onto this bicycle spoke. Few more to go, just a minute. And the last one, very close. Then I'm going to take a lighter and fire this on. So guys, get ready for the magic. I know it's stupid, but it's so much fun. Listen to that zapping sound, it's so crazy. A fire rain. So crazy. Oh, stop. Oh. So that was the end of the show. So that was it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, hit that like button to subscribe to my channel. And one more thing, one warning, one request: please do not try to reperform this experiment at your home, because playing with fire could be hazardous. So I don't want you guys to be hurted. I am here to perform all this kind of crazy nonsense experiments for you guys. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.